Counts down. Hey!
Good morning, everybody. It's Tom and Kelly from the Tom and Kelly Show. We finished season 5 last fall and doing these episodes sporadically.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is the second one this year.
Yeah,
So
is it only the second? Wow.
yeah.
So we started this whole gig as, were we chair and co-chair?
No,
something,
not
chair,
quite.
Vice chair, something, I don't
Getting
remember.
there, but we were putting this place together a little bit. Yep.
Yeah, MLK, the MLK Community Food and Learning Garden was coming together, and we did our first video about local food because we had found a couple of grubs.
You were teasing
and we
me.
needed to, I was teasing you, yeah, probably. And we needed to identify the grubs. We were looking at the rostrum, counting the hairs. We mentioned Jeff Hahn, one of our great University of Minnesota Extension Master Gardener Extension educators. And so this is where we kind of took off and bounced off the Tom and Kelly Show. Well, today, this is a final.
Look at this, yeah.
It looks like a weedy mess because the garden has been fallow this year due to an incredible $3+ million grant to MLK Park.
You can kind of see some of the work there for the new
the splash pad that's going to go in. We're getting here specifically at the garden.
We should have a splash pad at our gardens.
I don't want a splash pad. Oh my gosh, that would be really refreshing. You can just shoot yourself with the hose when you hold it up top.
We've done that.
Yeah, we've done that. So the garden actually is getting somewhere between $60,000 and $80,000 worth of upgrades. It will be doubled in size. Some raised
double. It's going to go this way.
Yeah, it's already 48 by 34, and we had the Olmsted County Soil and Water Conservation District donate several flats of their native plant, their pollinator kits, in 2021, and we planted the perimeter, a 315 square foot perimeter with native plants that have been huge. So help yourself. Come dig some of these native plants. Other folks have been digging them. They're around the perimeter.
We've harvested some of it, and some of it has ended up in the Graham Park.
Yeah, and then
trench.
also in the tree trench, and then the Graham Park Gardens on the west side, right? Or east side?
Yeah.
So help yourself to some of these natives. We're excited about the garden doubling in size. We're going to get water here, so no more dragging 425 feet of hose, which is great. The volunteers will appreciate that.
An exercise in itself.
In itself. So we're very excited. Raised beds. We're going to have a lovely concrete pathway here. All of the University of Minnesota Extension educational signage will be going back up, and this garden should be finished in the fall, and we might have time to do a fall pollinator planting. That would be pretty exciting. And in the spring 2027 we will get going on this new garden space. So
and quickly, Kelly.
Quickly,
where did the vegetable garden go?
Oh
yeah.
So temporarily we are moved to the Smart Garden, which is this opposite corner over here by the Heinz Center.
MLK
it's MLK at Smart. So we are in
It's a smart idea.
And thanks. We are at the little parterre there, which is one of the sections of our gorgeous Smart Garden, designed by Andy Masterpole and put in with the bonding project that built the horticulture building and the greenhouses there. It is a lovely garden. If you've never visited it, Carol Wells and Emily Whitcomb run the program there. They are also Extension Master Gardener volunteers for Olmsted County.
And they do some youth education sessions.
They
They're
do a
pretty
phenomenal
awesome.
program. With youth. And
look that up.
Yeah, look it up. Smart Garden, and go try and catch some of those fun little class offerings for youth and their parents together. So that's the Smart Garden, the corner of 19th Avenue and 4th Street, southeast. Just kind of drive south on 19th and pull in. You'll see the Smart Garden signage for that by the Heinz Center corner there. Absolutely gorgeous space. I really think of it as Rochester's only really botanic garden.
It is.
It's really the only space where people can walk that's really
lovely.
It is,
but hey, we're going to be doing things at Graham Park. There's going to be some more going on there.
Yeah, and of course we've got Cascade Park, which is nice. That's kind of a region.
So we're not leaders anymore as we were kind of back in the day, but we're still having fun, still gardening, and follow the Master Gardeners around. You can go to the Grow Olmsted. That's our Facebook, and we have like 1,300 people on there. It's nice. Amazing.
It's good.
Yeah. So meanwhile, we're going to wrap this up. And as you can see, grab the plants that Kelly mentioned earlier. There's some out here, easy to identify.
Around the perimeter.
Yep.
Yeah.
Around the perimeter. So
And a lot of
stiff
Agastache
goldenrod over there.
funiculum, the lovely Anacissup that reseeds itself so beautifully.
Is really
Really rampant
inside.
in the middle. So
Yeah.
that's a fun one if you
Yeah.
want to really attract the pollinators.
So with that,
So that was quickly?
that was very quickly for us.
Very quickly. For
Okay,
us.
so Tom and Kelly, not really in episode 2, but just staying in
signing
touch.
off, just staying in touch, saying hi, and keeping you updated on all the goings on that we are involved with.
Okay.
Thank you so much
All
for
right.
following.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye. Can't see the off here.